Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another advent calendar for you and it is Revolution and Emily in Paris Jours de Paris advent calendar, 12-day advent calendar. It retails for £40. If you're interested in this for yourself, then as always you'll find links to it down below in my description, as well as all my other discount codes and offers for other websites, so you're welcome to take a look down there if you want to. This advent calendar is going to be put up for a giveaway on my Instagram page, so I'm going to be showing you what's inside, but I won't be swatching anything. Obviously the winner of this advent calendar is not going to be wanting all my germs all over this stuff, so yeah, I'll show you what's inside, tell you a little bit about it, but I'm going to put it all back in and then I'm going to do a giveaway in the next week or two on my Instagram page. If you're not already following me, it's Diaryofabeautygeek. If you want to enter the giveaway, I'll pop a link to it down below in the description so you can go straight to it that way. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside. I went to Paris last year and me and my friend, we went around all the areas where all the filming locations are and it was brilliant. I loved it, it's so good. I really like the design of this calendar. It's very small, but it's a 12-day one, isn't it? It's 12-day, but I do like the design of it. Okay, starting off then with day number 1. Down here, we've got Saint-Tropez. So it's a palette of some sort. What is it? Oh, that is really nice. It's an eyeshadow palette, so you've got a mirror there. And they are gorgeous. I'm dying to swatch them. I love those two. Really, really nice. Yeah, gorgeous autumnal shades there. Got a little palette. Day number 2, we've got another palette. This is Horticulture. And yeah, another eyeshadow palette. Look. Oh, that colour there is stunning, isn't it? Really, really pretty. Yeah, I think I prefer this palette more. I love the fashionable down the bottom there, the purple. That is so nice. Oh, I'm not going to swatch. I'm dying to. I am dying to, but I can't. I gotta be good. Day number 3, we've got an eyeshadow stick, and I can't see. The writing is super teeny tiny. But again, gorgeous packaging. It's a liquid eyeshadow stick, and that is beautiful. It's a shimmery gold. I am liking everything I'm seeing so far. Day number 4. And we've got what looks like a mascara. Yeah. Day number 5. Got a lipstick in shade. Oh, this is Paris Berry Red. The lipstick design is really pretty. Let's see this red. Oh, yeah, that was gorgeous. Look. Gorgeous colour. So nice. Day number 6, got another lipstick in shade. This is Chicago. It's the same design. That is my favourite colour for a nude. It's really nice. It looks darker on the screen than it does here. I don't know, maybe when I edit this back I'll think, all right then, no mind Claire. But that is the perfect shade that I love. Oh, I don't want to swatch it. I really like that. Day number 7, and we've got a pencil. This is a lip pencil, and this is Paris Berry Red to go with the lipstick. I like that. Got a lip liner and a lip pencil as well. Day number 8, I'm guessing it's the pinky nude. What was it called? Chicago. I bet this is a lip pencil as well. Yeah, Chicago pink nude. So it's the lip liner to go with the nude. I wonder if you can buy these products on the Revolution website, because I really fancy that nude lipstick. You might have a look to see if you can, or unless this is just like a one-off for the advent calendar. Day number 9, we got a setting spray. This is, it just says setting spray. It's got glitter in it. Hold on. Let's see. Is it glittery? Yes, it is super glittery. You've got spray there. I'm not going to spray it, but hopefully, can you see? It's really hard to see it in person, but I can just make it out. It is very, very glittery and sparkly. So pretty, but not a setting spray I would use. Day number 10, we've got a little beauty blending sponge. This is a little mini. So great for applying concealer and touching up your makeup. There's a little sponge there. I love the bright colours in all of these products. They're fab. Day number 11, and we have got, this is a primer. It just says primer. There's 12 mils here. Can't tell you anything about it, unfortunately. But maybe there's more information on the website. Oh, it looks like there's a little bit of shimmer in that as well. I love the design of the bottle. That's quite cool. But yeah, it looks like it could be a little bit shimmery. Day number 12, the last one of the calendar. And we've got some lashes. These are just false lashes. There's no name to them. They're really pretty. I'll get them out and show you. They're quite fluttery and quite fine. There's no glue. Ooh, but they're really, really pretty. I like them. I would cut them off. Possibly, I wouldn't cut them there because I do like the thinness there. I'd probably cut them off here. So then I've got 3/4 length ones because they're a little bit too long for me. But no, they're really beautiful. I really like those. They are really fluttery though. They're like a double flick lash from the side. Oh, it's so pretty. So there you go. Those are all the 12 products inside the Revolution and Emily in Paris 2023 Beauty Advent Calendar. It costs £40 and it shows me all the products that are there. I don't know what the value is. It doesn't say on the website. I love the palettes. I love the lipsticks and the lip liners. That liquid eyeshadow is beautiful. Two things I wouldn't use if I were to keep this Advent Calendar would be the setting spray and the primer. It's just a little bit too glittery for me, but everything else seems really lovely. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? And yeah, if you want to be in for a chance of winning this Advent Calendar, then head over to my Instagram page and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.